Join me as I dive into the secrets of what makes YouTube Shorts go viral, and I'll try to create my own viral short in just one day. YouTube Shorts have taken the platform by storm, offering a fresh way for creators to engage with their audience through short, snappy videos. These bite-sized clips are designed to capture attention quickly and leave a lasting impression. With the right approach, they have the potential to go viral, reaching millions of viewers in a short span of time. Making your shorts stand out in a crowded space can be tough. Every day, thousands of new shorts are uploaded, all vying for viewers' attention. What makes one short go viral while another barely gets a few views? It's a question that has puzzled many creators. The truth is, there's no guaranteed formula for virality, but there are definitely some key factors at play. Understanding these factors can significantly increase your chances of creating a viral hit. Trends play a huge role in the success of a YouTube short. Jumping on a trending challenge or using a popular song can give your short the initial boost it needs. But trends alone aren't enough. Engagement strategies are crucial too. Asking questions, encouraging comments, or prompting viewers to share their own experiences can foster a sense of community. Timing is also everything. Releasing your short at the right moment can make all the difference. For example, a short that captures a current event or a viral challenge can resonate with viewers much more than one that's released out of the blue. So what else can make a short go viral? I think it's a combination of being authentic, creative, and willing to take risks. There are countless examples of viral shorts that have nailed this combination. Take, for instance, a short that showcases a unique talent or a surprising moment. These types of videos often resonate with viewers and encourage sharing. Another critical aspect is optimizing your short for the platform, using relevant hashtags and eye-catching thumbnails. The most critical insight I can share with you is that understanding your audience is key. Knowing what resonates with them and what type of content they engage with can help you create shorts that are more likely to go viral. It's about creating content that sparks emotions, whether it's laughter, inspiration, or even shock. When you create content that connects with your audience on an emotional level, you're more likely to see it take off. To sum it up, going viral on YouTube Shorts requires a mix of creativity, timing, and audience engagement. It's about staying on top of trends, being authentic, and creating content that resonates with viewers. While there's no guaranteed formula, applying these insights can significantly increase your chances of creating a viral hit. If you've had any experiences with creating viral shorts or have tips to share, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Also, if you're looking for more tips on content creation, be sure to check out my other video on how to grow your YouTube channel.